Hello guys, we are finding the LCM of the given algebraic expression. We have question number 1 here. There are 3 algebraic expressions. M power 4 plus m square plus 1. First expression m power 4 minus m. Second expression, and similarly 2m cube plus 2m square plus 2m. The third expression. To find their LCM by factorization method, first we have to factorize all the expressions one by one. So our first expression is m power 4 plus m square plus 1. How do we factorize this type of expression? To factorize this type of expression, we write m power 4 and 1 together and m square, making it the last term. Biggest power, greatest power of the first variable and least power of the first variable we keep together, and second power of the variable we keep this at last. So this m power 4 m square whole square, this one can be written as 1 square, and this m square as it is. In the first two terms we use the formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So it can be written as m square plus 1 whole square minus 2, a is m square, b is 1, and this plus m square as it is according to this formula. So it is m square plus 1 whole square and minus 2m square minus m square, it gives m square only. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. And finally you use this formula a plus b times a minus b, where a is m square plus 1 and b is m. So a plus b is m square plus 1 plus m, and a minus b, a is m square plus 1 minus b is m. If you write this in order, m square plus m plus 1, m square minus m plus 1. So these are the factors of the first expression. Similarly, we have second expression, m power 4 minus m. We can take m common here. After taking m common, what will be remaining? M cube minus 1. So m times m cube minus this one can be written as 1 cube. So it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube, a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So it is m times m minus 1 m square plus ab, m into 1, m only, b square 1 square, it is 1. So these are the factors of the second expression. Similarly, we have the third expression as well. 2m cube plus 2m square plus 2m. You can see here 2m is common. After taking 2m common, what will be remaining? M square, here m, here 1. So when you take 2m common from all three terms, there will be remaining m square plus m plus 1 in the bracket, which is in its simplest form, which cannot be factorized further. We have the same expression in the second expression as well as in the third. So this is the common factor in all the three expressions. Therefore, what is LCM? First we take the common factor present in all three expressions. This m square plus m plus 1, m square plus m plus 1, m square plus m plus 1. So m square plus m plus 1. And any more factor common here in all three? No. So what are the remaining factors here? In when you take the factor outside of the bracket, here is m, here you can see 2m. So 1, 2 we have to take, and 1 m common. So 2m, it comes from outside of the bracket. M common from the second and third, and 2 is here, which is not common. And we have other factors also remaining. Here in the first expression, m square minus m plus 1, and in the second expression, m minus 1. So m minus 1, m square minus m plus 1. So this is the product of the common factors and remaining factors. So first of all, we take the factor common from all the three expressions. Then if there is a common from two expressions also, we can take it. For example, m square plus m plus 1 is common in all the three expressions, and m is common between second and third, and the remaining this 2 is here in the third expression, which is not common, and this m minus 1 in the second expression, and this m square minus m plus 1 in the third expression. So this is the product of the common and remaining factors, which is the LCM of the given expression. So guys, here we have another question to find the LCM. Question number 2, there are three expressions. First expression r minus 1 whole cube, second expression r power 4 plus r square plus 1, and third expression r cube minus 1. To find their LCM, we factorize them one by one. So first expression is r minus 1 to the power 3. This we write r minus 1, r minus 1, r minus 1. Because we need the factors to find the LCM or HCF. So it is not necessary to expand it by using the formula a minus b whole cube. Because you know that a minus b whole cube is a minus b into a minus b 3 times. Product of 3 times a minus b, it is a minus b whole cube. So this r minus 1 whole cube also, we can write it as r minus 1 times r minus 1 times r minus 1. Similarly, second expression r power 4 plus r square plus 1. We are familiar about this type of factorization. So r power 4 and 1 are kept together, and second power of r is kept at the last. So it is r square whole square plus 1 can be written 1 square plus r square. The greatest power of r and the least power of r, this 1 constant term, here no r, that means r to the power 0, we can say 1 is equal to 1 into r to the power 0, it is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So if there is 1 only, there is r to the power 0 with this 1 in multiplication form. So the greatest power of r and the least power of r, to make a square plus b square, and the second power r square, we keep this at last. So a plus b whole square plus minus 2ab. We use this formula here for this a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So r square plus 1 whole square minus 2 is r square, b is 1 plus r square is r square plus 1 minus 2 r square plus r square, it is minus r square. So it is r square plus 1 whole square minus r square. Now we use the formula a square minus b square here. Suppose this r square plus 1 is a and this r is b. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So I write here a is r square plus 1 plus b, r a minus b, r square plus 1 minus r. So it is r square plus r plus 1, r square minus r plus 1 according to decreasing order of the power of r there. These are the factors of the second expression. Now we have the third expression, r cube minus 1. It is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b, a square plus ab r into 1, it is r only, plus b square, 1 square, it is 1. So according to this formula, AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. This RQ minus 1 gives R minus 1 times R square plus R plus 1. So in this way, the factorization of three expressions is completed. Now we are finding the LCM. To find LCM, first we find the common factors. If there is any factor common in all the three expressions, then we can take the factors common from two expressions also, and the remaining factors also we have to write. In the second, we do not have any factor common here in all three expressions, because in the first expression we have R minus 1, R minus 1, R minus 1. In second, R square plus R plus 1, R square minus R plus 1. In the third, R minus 1, R square plus R plus 1. So we can take the common from two expressions only. Look here now, this R minus 1 and another R minus 1 here. From the first and third, we can take one R minus 1 common. R minus 1. And these two R minus 1 are remaining in first expression. R minus 1, R minus 1. R minus 1 times R minus 1. And in the second and third also, we have one expression common, that is R square plus R plus 1, R square plus R plus 1, R square plus R plus 1, and one more factor remaining here in the second expression, that is R square minus R plus 1. So if you write this R minus 1, R minus 1, R minus 1, R minus 1 whole cube, and R square plus R plus 1, R square minus R plus 1. So this is the product of the common and remaining factors of these three expressions given in the question. So this is the LCM of these three. Class. Here we have another question, question number 3, to find the LCM. Here also there are three expressions. First expression, A minus B whole square plus 4AB. Second expression, A plus B whole cube minus 3AB times A plus B. And third expression, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So we are finding the LCM by factorization method. So first we factorize all the three expressions one by one. So taking the first expression, so our first expression is A minus B whole square plus 4AB. Let's expand this A minus B whole square using formula A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square, and this plus 4AB as it is. Now A square, this plus 4AB minus 2AB gives plus 2AB. These are the like terms, plus 4AB and minus 2AB. They can be added together according to their sign. So it gives a plus 2AB plus B square. And we know that A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is A plus B whole square. That is A plus B times A plus B. We can write this as A plus B times A plus B. Similarly, our second expression is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. Here we do not expand this A plus B whole cube because we have two terms here, and you can see we have A plus B in the second term as well. A plus B whole cube, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, 3 times A plus B, and we have one A plus B here. So let's take A plus B common. So after taking A plus B common, what will be remaining here? A plus B whole square, because out of 3A plus B, if one A plus B is taken common, how many A plus B will be remaining there? 2, right? So that is A plus B whole square and minus 3AB. So this is A plus B, and now here we expand by the formula A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square minus 3AB. So it is a plus b. It is a square minus 3ab plus 2ab minus ab plus b square. It cannot be factorized further. Now third expression is, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a plus b whole square. That is a plus b times a plus b. A plus b whole square. We have to write here as a plus b times a plus b because we need the factors. Now in this way, the factorization of all three expressions is completed. Now we write the LCM. Now we find the common factors. If we have any common factor common in all three expressions, we take it first. Here we can see a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. It is common in all three expressions. Now we have this one a plus b from the first and third, a plus b. Then both finish here, here both finish here. What is remaining there? A square minus ab plus b square. So this is the product of the common and remaining factors of the given three expressions, which is the required LCM. Thank you. Bye bye.